Are you looking to unlock your SIM network PIN for free? Look no further. In this tutorial, we will show you an easy and safe way to unlock your SIM network PIN without having to pay for a professional service or using any risky software. We will walk you through the steps you need to follow in order to unlock your SIM network PIN and get your phone working again. Whether you are using an Android or an iOS device, this tutorial will work for you. So don't wait any longer and watch this video now to unlock your SIM network PIN for free.